There are many foods and drinks that recent research has indicated promote liver health. They not only protect the liver from disease and deterioration, but can also help repair the liver in those who have existing liver problems already. These foods and drinks include the following. Plant foods in general. There are exceptions, of course, but generally speaking, if it grows on a farm, in a field, a forest, or a garden, there's a good chance it's liver-friendly. The list includes avocados, bananas, barley, beets and beet juice, berries, broccoli, brown rice, carrots, garlic, grapes, grapefruit and lemons, greens such as kale and collards, nuts, papaya, and watermelon. Other foods that are believed to be especially good for promoting liver health include these. Fatty fish. Fatty fish and fish oil supplements that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids contain healthy fats that reduce inflammation. These good fats may be especially healthy for the liver as they appear to prevent the buildup of excess bad fats and also maintain enzyme levels in the liver. Studies recommend eating oily fish 2 or more times each week. Olive oil. Like omega-3 fatty acids, there are other types of fat that are good for you. Olive oil contains unsaturated fatty acids that reduce oxidative stress and improve liver function. Oatmeal. Oatmeal adds fiber, which is an important tool for good digestion, which appear to be beneficial in maintaining liver function. Stick to whole oats or steel-cut oats, though. Prepackaged oatmeal may contain harmful fillers, such as flour or sugars. Healthy drinks. Happily, some popular drinks appear to promote liver health and repair liver tissue. Coffee and green tea are among them. Coffee seems to protect the liver against disorders like fatty liver disease, which is one of the most common liver problems. Drinking green tea may help lower overall fat content, fight against oxidative stress, and reduce other signs of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. The purpose of this video has been to provide quick, basic answers to the question, what foods are good for liver repair? For additional information, see links to related resources below the video screen. But remember, you should always rely only on a doctor to diagnose any symptoms you may be experiencing.